Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Today's conversation is about foreign dog, Jamaican dog. Big difference as we all know. Foreign dog, the people them take out them dog, walk it when them want dodo, them shit, them pick up the dodo. Jamaica people, we don't stay so. When the dog want dodo, nobody no care. You left him just walk up and down in the yard and shit wherever he want to. After 2 kick or 3 stone and fling off him, he might jump on the fence and walk through the gate and go walk up a road and go shit and go doing business and come back. Second, the feelings of how we feed the dog them. Foreign dog them, people go buy food and give them kiggles and them bits and them sit down and them eat and them drink them water. Jamaican dog now, well, times harder and harder, yeah, so guess what? If we no eat, the dog no eat. If we no have no food, the dog no have no food. And if we do have food, we usually give the dog the leftovers. But sometimes when hungry or bite, we eat most of the food, so guess what? The dog more time still no get no food. More time, if we all eat our chicken and them thing there, and you don't know, yard people stay, all the bone we are suck out. The dog we sit down in front of you and watch you and wait like. Because you want to see when you go drop that bone, the more time the bone even touch all the floor before you drop it, the dog catch it. I saw the dog hungry. Foreign dog, vet go check them up and all these things, and more time them bathe them and shampoo and wash them up and clip them too and make them feel nice. Jamaican dog, if we no fling water for them or something, them no bathe. Like if it no rain, them no bathe. Seriously, them no bathe. Foreign dog, them walk up and down in the hole, go up on the bed and all them something, they all lick people face and that. We don't play them thing there. Them dog, our dog can't even come in our house more time. No, don't come. Stay out the door and make sure so nobody know when you're supposed to come out yard, come out yard. And as soon as you come out yard, or what that, bite up your... Remember, Box TV, subscribe, like, share, dislike, comment, whatever you want to do. Check out the shirt them, Box t-shirt, don't move your face. Check out the song, Box, The Edges Ain't Loyal. All of them songs that me have and a new thing I come out to call, It's None of My Business. Dancers need more entertainment. I don't know which one of them here, the button, some button there somewhere, just press one of them thing there, do something. Later, I'm gone. Box. Yeah, I say it, alright now, I'm gone. The Edges Ain't Loyal.